In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content calendar in Notion. If you want a clear, repeatable way to plan, track, and publish your content, this setup will keep everything organized in one place. We'll start with a fresh page in Notion. On that blank page, type /database and choose the option that fits your workspace. Pick Database Inline if you want the calendar to live alongside notes on the same page, or choose Board Full Page if you prefer the database to take over the entire page. Either way works. The goal is simply to create a database to hold your content. For the initial layout, begin with a table or a board view. A table is great when you are defining columns and properties, because everything sits in neat rows. A board works well if you like to visualize by status, but you can switch views later. So don't overthink it. Now let's add the core properties that power your calendar. Create a property called Publish Date and set its type to Date. This is the day your content goes live, and it's what will drive your calendar later. Next, add a property named Status. You can use a select or the newer status type. Add clear stages like Idea, In Progress, Scheduled, and Published so your team always knows what's next. Then add Platform as a multi-select. This lets you mark where each piece will appear, such as Instagram, YouTube, or your blog. And you can select more than one if a piece is repurposed. Add Assignee as a person property to tag who's responsible. If you work solo, you can still tag yourself to keep ownership visible. Finally, add Post URL as a URL field. Once a piece goes live, paste the link here so everything stays connected. With those properties in place, create a calendar view. Click Add a View. Choose Calendar, give it a simple name, and Notion will map your entries by their publish date. This becomes your at-a-glance publishing schedule. From here, the workflow is simple. Add a new entry for each idea. Fill in the title, set a publish date. Choose the platform, assign it, and set the status. As work progresses, move status forward. When it's live, switch to published and paste the post URL so future you can find it fast. You can jump between the table or board for planning and the calendar for timing whenever you need. That's it, your content calendar in Notion is ready. Thanks for watching.